Hello, welcome back to the channels. This is Leon from CYhair, and today this is the sixth videos we make SEO documentaries for our customers. And for this seasons, we happily to announce that for during 6 months we have been selling the hairs up to more than 600 kilograms of hairs. And in this series, we will have some overview of the few last videos, what we have given the benefit to customers. So first of all, I'm very happy to say to you guys that we have customers to save tax up to 10,000 USD in tax. That's a very impressive numbers. And second things, in this videos, I'm going to show you guys some of our hottest selling style as well as the land we are selling for this market. Specifically in the Brazil market and also Europe market, so that you can take a look. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at this new SEO. So for this, the cross weight over here, this is 100 kilograms. The days with the June 12 2020 over here, and the details is very easily. You can see over here hair extensions, light colors, and the length also 50, 60, and 70 centimeters. Also in these orders, they are buying Indian wavy, which is also a very hot style right now for Brazil market. So let's sum up the 6 videos so we can understand what's the best selling style right now. So for the last 6 videos, we are selling best on bulk hair, natural color. The length will be from 50, 55, 60, and 70. Those are the hottest length. And the next colors from our collection, which would be in blonde color. Some country they call it coat with 613. Some country they call it 60 color. And the next style I recommend to you guys that you are going to sell very well, which is Indian wavy, which is also a very popular style right now on Brazil market and Europe market. You definitely got to try it. And in these videos, I'm going to show you something more and explain to you guys how to make a SEO documentary. So first of all, for Brazil market, in order to import hair from other country and in details from Vietnam, you need to be a company, and further things, you need to have the CPNG code, which prove to you guys that you are a company. And the second thing, you need to make payment to the company accounts. You can get a small deposit so that all of our orders are direct transfer from our company to DHL or from to other companies, so that you can freely transfer between countries, which is very easy. And the next thing, when you telling us your order details, including the land you need, the color, the style, we'll make quotation for you. We'll need at least 50 kilograms of hair, then we can make SEO documentary, will save you a lot of tax. And if you have any other questions from these videos, because this is a little bit longer than usual, but that's okay, you can ask me directly in the comment section below, or you can text me or text us through our WhatsApp, our main Instagram page. We have Instagram, Facebook, and also we have website. You can go over there and check ourselves so that we can do more business in the future. And thank you once again for watching these videos, and we are looking forward to cooperate with you guys soon and with great orders. Thank you and see you.